Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar where we will be discussing the signs of stroke. A stroke is a medical emergency caused by a blocked blood vessel or bleeding in the brain. Someone experiencing a stroke will have symptoms that may include the following: slurred or unintelligible speech, facial droop, numbness, weakness on one side of the body, difficulty walking or maintaining balance, loss of vision, severe headache, or loss of consciousness. Stroke is a neurological emergency. Time is critical. If you suspect someone is experiencing a stroke, do the following. Immediately call 911. Help the person sit or lie down. Retrieve an AED and first aid kit. Record the time that the neurological symptoms were noted and the last time the person was free of the symptoms. Be prepared to perform CPR if needed. Don't forget, online CPR certification is available on our site. You can find a link in the description. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, whether that be in a classroom or on your own time with an online course. So thank you so much for tuning into today's webinar. We will catch you the next time.